What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am here with another big body banger, man. Welcome to the video, man. Welcome. As y'all can hear, I got them high crispy vocals, and this is with no mic. Like, I'm not saying no mic, but like headphones, like Apple headphones. I'm sounding this crispy. We gonna leave the key alone on this video since we rapping. We about to just go to effects though. Put that on clean. You can put it on natural tune or hard tune if you using auto tune, but on this video we rapping, man. So that's all we finna worry about. It didn't go to mix. It in the vocals. You already know the vocals deal with your voice, and then the backing track deals with the beat. You want to make sure your voice isn't louder than the beat, and your beat ain't louder than your voice. Make sure it's like balanced and equalized. That's what the mixing is here for in the EQ. So now that I'm rapping, we don't want too much reverb because, you know, personally, I just like my rapping like with like less reverb. But we got the stereo width and brightness. The brightness basically just like, I don't know, it's like a bright, loud, like it's like personally my favorite because it's like real bright. And it's like kind of like the best preset for rapping personally. And then the telephone is no cap, the best, man, the best ad lib to use. So keep that in mind if you're using ad libs, man. Just use telephone. And then we about to go to compressor and put it on rap. You can use pop if you're singing or wherever else you want to use. You can test around with your voice. I ain't really too familiar with these, but we finna just use rap, man. And we about to get into these lyrics. Let's go.
Yeah, hey. Tryna get a band.
Hey, why you do that, bro?
Hey, I've been tucked off out the way, tryna get a Benz. They don't understand, Brody steady speaking. Yeah, you better get your mans. Chasing after chicken, yeah, this shit don't make no sense. Yes, don't make no sense.
Oh yeah, that was a little. That was.
Yeah, hey, tryna get a Benz.
Hey, why you do that, bro?
Hey, I've been tucked off out the way, tryna get a Benz. They don't understand, Brody steady speaking. Yeah, you better get your mans. Chasing after chicken, yeah, this shit don't make no sense. Yes, don't make no sense. I've been tucked off out the way, tryna get a.
Basically what I do is I save the beat. This is like the old school way. I'm pretty sure there's like a new way.
Yeah, hey, tryna get a band.
Hey, why you do that, bro?
And then I share as audio. So what I had just did is I saved the beat, I share as audio, and then I'm gonna just name it VC1, and I'm gonna just delete it when I'm done with all these. But for now, we're gonna be just overlapping it. So go to share as audio, save the files, it's VC1, and then we're gonna double back on the track. Oh, wait. I'm gonna go to save. And then I'm pretty sure one time, wait, what? What's going on? Okay, so there's no beat. I'm gonna go to VC1, and I'm gonna share as audio, and I'm gonna share it back. I'm gonna share it back to Voloco. Okay, now we got the beat back in there, and I'm gonna turn this off.
All right, now that it's in here, we just gonna mess around with it a little bit. We gonna go to mix, and we gonna turn the beat up a little higher, turn the vocals down a little bit, not too low. We don't want it to sound too bad. And then we're going to go to EQ and reverb, put telephone on, as you can see, telephone, and probably a little reverb if you want to, make it sound a little nice. And then, hey, let's get it.
Yeah, hey, tryna get a band.
Hey, why you do that, bro?
Hey, I've been tucked off out the way, tryna get a Benz. They don't understand, Brody steady speaking. Yeah, you better get your mans. Chasing after chicken, yeah, this shit don't make no sense, yeah. Don't make no sense. I've been tucked off out the way. Yeah, hey, tryna get a Benz.
Hey, why you do that, boy?
Hey, I've been tucked off out the way, tryna get a Benz. They don't understand, Brody steady speaking, yeah, you better get your mans. Chasing after chicken, yeah, this shit don't make no sense, yeah. Don't make no sense. I've been tucked.
I'm not gonna lie, that sound fire. I might have to make that a song. But yeah, man, you can just keep overlapping it. Or I mean, if you want to just let the beat play out, you can do that. Let the beat play out if you want to like make a whole song. But hey, man, if you're on the iPhone, you can I'm about to be doing some Voloco extensions to GarageBand, so stay tuned for that. But man, we about to just play this one more time, and that's gonna be the end of the video, man. Hopefully y'all like the video and got some gems out of this, man. Got some good presets. I'm gonna be making more videos, so hey, stay tuned. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out. Peace.
Yeah, hey, tryna get a Benz.
Hey, why you do that, boy?
Hey, I've been tucked off out the way, tryna get a Benz. They don't understand, Brody steady speaking, yeah, you better get your mans. Chasing after chicken, yeah, this shit don't make no sense, yeah. Don't make no sense. I've been tucked off out the way.
Hey, why you do that, boy?